mor i ni. Go on,
Gemau nesau ar caeau 1 a 2. Ar cae 1 fydd ffeinal cwpan y bechgyn yn chwarae fydd Ysgol Glantaf a Ysgol Porthcawl. Ar cae 2 fydd ffeinal bechgyn y plas. Ac fydd Hwlffordd yn chwarae yn erbyn Ysgol Uwchradd Dwyrain. So the next games at 6 o'clock will be on pitch 1, the boys cup final, Glantaf against Porthcawl, and on pitch 2, the boys plate final, Hwlffordd Haverfordwest against Eastern High School.
So Jack, what's happening? Just to give them a hard location.
What are you doing? Cup final? Did I get them all out there? Was that?
Glantaf, Newydd Northern. Glantaf wedi ennill y grŵp ar 74.
Fantastic, okay, so then you have wneud canlyniadau final ffordd y merched. So the results for the girls' plate competition. Yn yr ail safle, in second place, mae gennym ni tîm Hwlffordd 1. Da iawn merched wedi chwarae yn wych, played very well all day and it was a very good final to watch. Cofiwch, mi fydd yr gêm ac yn uchafbwyntiau ar Urdos Cymru, so you can watch the game and the highlights of the game on Urdos Cymru this evening.
Is that the final game of the day?
Yeah, that's the cup final, that is.
Thank you.
You've got over dweud I nhw, pwys i gwaith part o mae'n...
Brilliant, da iawn chi tîm Hwlffordd 1, a very well done to Hwlffordd 1. Felly yn fuddigol, the winners of the plate final girls competition, mae gennym ni Ysgol Llanishen. Da iawn chi ferched, very well done. Wedi chwarae'n dda iawn drwy'r dydd heddiw, played well. A cofiwch, mae bosib I chi wylio'r uchafbwyntiau o'r gemau o cael 1 ar Urdos Cymru heno. Da iawn chi. Fantastic, da iawn I merched Llanishen am fod yn fuddigol yn gysgliad y plas. Very well done to Llanishen girls on their win today. Da iawn merched.
Kick me, Colton! Elon, kick up Filo. Elon, after Filo and Zogu. Sili Ayla Aroho. Elon. After Filo, they blocked it. Hey, Tilly. 5 minutes. Run!
Ardderchi boys, da iawn, ardderchog.
If this pitch is ahead, surely you'd have to play the plate, the cup final. Doesn't make any sense. You're right.
I just come here and go, I'm taking
10 minutes each half.
No, 7.
We are looking about 40 pounds for just around town. That's like the fine, yeah, no worries.
Phil! Phil!
What should we say now, the mic there?
You got that. Yeah, no, I was stood here, and then we go back there, and said, no, I need to send it from there. So I was allocated to that one, so
Get to next again, to the line, yeah.
oh, right. No, but you can't even go out there and like that. That one isn't too bad. That's the bowl foil.
The plate is right.
Is it half time enough? Aaron, beth yw'r sgôr? Come on, boys.
Oh, no, there's a chair there. He needs the chair.
Oh, good tackle. Oh, knock on.
I don't intend to run.
Da iawn I merched plas coch, plas mawr coch a glan tab. Llongyfarchiadau ddau dîm ar ffeinol briliant. Os ydych chi dod draw i'r ardal canlyniadau ar gyfer o breuos fel hynna, if you can come over to the